Hello everyone, my name is Radhima Devan. Welcome to my channel FURLAND BEAR. I saw many responses of people saying that these videos are very helpful for you. So I'll be coming up with more videos now. So today we are going to cover one topic, that is do and does. After this video, don't forget to attempt the quiz. I'll be posting their links in the description box below. Don't forget to write in the comment section below if you want me to cover any topic. First, we have use of does. Does is used with he, she, it, and singular nouns. Let's take some examples. Number one is she does her work well. My friend does yoga every morning. He does his best to help others. Moving over to negative sentences. Now we have it does not or doesn't can also be used here. It does not work properly. She does not like spicy food. Then coming on to our questions that begin with does. Does your brother play football? Does she like coffee? Does the train arrive on time? Next we have use of do. So it is used with I, you, we, they and plural nouns. We have some sentences over here. I do my homework every day. The students do their assignments on time. They do exercise in the morning. Next we have negative sentences. I do not or don't. I do not like horror movies or I don't like horror movies. You don't need to worry about it. Time for some questions. Do you like coffee? Do we have a meeting today? Do the kids play outside after school? Now it's time for quiz.